Hey guys, it's another day to claim your daily combo on Hamster Kombat. So today I'll be showing you the lucky cards. Unfortunately, today's daily combo is a very bad deal for me, so I'll be sitting it out. I'm just here to show you the cards. The first one is two-factor authentication, and you'll find that under PR and theme. Tap on PR and theme and scroll till you find two-factor authentication. So this is two-factor authentication here. The next one is margin X50. You'll find that on the market tab. Tap on it and scroll till you find margin X50. So this is margin X50. And the last one is a special card. So tap on specials. If you don't see the card, tap on new cards. So this is the card here, Consensus Piranha Pass. Now I'll be explaining why this is a bad deal. If you've watched my earlier videos, remember me telling you to do your maths to see if you're just wasting your coins. Now I've calculated the amount I'll be spending to upgrade all the cards for the daily combo and the rewards I'll be getting in my profit per hour, and it is below my acceptable rate. So let's go over them one by one. First, I go to my markets. Upgrading margin trading will cost me a whopping 7.25 million coins, and it will only increase my profit per hour by 3k. So you see, two-factor authentication will cost me 159,000 to upgrade and will only give me an increase of 301 to my profit per hour. This is a very good deal. I've been upgrading it and I will continue. So this is 132,000 and it will give me an extra 2.66k to my profit per hour. So in all, I'll be spending 7.5 million coins for a 5.9k increase in my profit per hour. Now remember, I'll be getting 5 million coins as a reward. 7.5 million minus the 5 million I'll be getting means I'm actually spending 2.5 million coins to increase my profit per hour by 5,991, and that brings my rate to 0.002, which is far below my acceptable rate of 0.006. I'll sit this one out. I won't upgrade the margin X50 because it's a very bad deal. So the only good deal I can take is this. I tap on it, and you can see my profit per hour be increasing by 2.66k, and I'll only be spending 132,000 coins. So I go ahead, so you can see that this is part of the cards in the daily combo. So that's it about today's daily combo. Remember, the three lucky cards are the Consensus Piranha Pass on the Specials tab, the margin X50 on your Markets tab, and two-factor authentication on your PR and team card. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more Hamster Kombat updates, crypto airdrops, tips, tutorials, alphas, and earning opportunities. So keep claiming your Hamster Kombat coins daily. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.